cat-cow. We will be using an exercise mat for support. Get on your hands and knees on an exercise mat. Position your knees under your hips and your hands under your shoulders. Start with a flat back. Relax your shoulders. Pull your belly button in toward your spine. Slowly round your belly toward the mat and push your pelvis toward the ceiling. Look up. Return to your starting position. Lift your spine up toward the ceiling, rounding your back, and tilting your head toward the mat. Return to your starting position. Flow through both positions by first dropping the belly and lifting the head into the cow position. Then, slowly lifting your spine and dropping your head into a cat position. Repeat until you have finished 10 to 15 repetitions. Do not hold your breath. Breathe normally. Do not rush through this exercise. Use proper technique and move slowly with your breath.